I'm Nice, and happy holidays.
Hi, I'm Anar, happy holidays.
And we're the
ini2kidz Productions. So today we'll be discussing the Oculus Quest headset.
And here's the Oculus headset right in my hands.
And you could buy it at Best Buy, Walmart, and Amazon. And it is $600. And we've been waiting to get this for a long time, and we finally got it. And that's what we got from Santa. And we just want to thank Oculus Quest for this. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. And now I'm going to open it. That looks right. Take this off. And here's the Oculus controller. I use it. Yeah, this is left, so you hold it in the left hand.
And this is right, as you can see, because there's an R. And just like your normal controller, like your basic controller, there's an A and a B. On the other one, there's an X and a Y.
And here's the scene thing that you see with. And we have to buy the Oculus app.
So you're supposed to hold it like this.
Yeah, like this. And then this is how you put it on. But I actually can't see anything.
Is the headset, the virtual reality headset.
And there's wires in here. And some batteries that you can put inside. But how exactly do you put them in? Yeah, I actually don't know. And you could do this if your eyes are right here, or right here, or here. Oh. And here's where you plug it in at. This is a plug, so I guess you're gonna have to be putting this in like this, and then or do you put in like this? I don't know. Does this have something to do with it? Or, where's that other piece that I just had? Oh. And you have to plug it into here? Oh yeah, it does have a plug. Now I guess you have to plug this in somewhere else. Doesn't make sense right now. But where exactly do you put the batteries in? I don't know where to put the batteries in. Does this even have batteries inside? Do you think it have batteries inside?
No, that's why they have batteries over there.
Well, do you at least know where the batteries go in at?
They probably go in there.
In here? So you could take this out?
Well, guys, it's called virtual reality because it's called a VR headset because it's virtual reality headset. So that means it's like reality. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Happy holidays.
And make sure you like and subscribe.
Yeah, and hope you click that button. Bye.